Listen, you shared so much, Anuj. If you could give one piece of advice to any founder, what do you think that advice would be?
So the one thing I keep coming back to is the only growth hack is your rate of learning. And because if you keep testing more hypotheses than your competition, by definition, you're going to learn faster than your competition about what works and doesn't work for your customer base. They can try and copy you all they want. They will be two steps behind because they can only see what's in front of them. They don't know what you've learned right now. Right. So my challenge to every team I work with is, are you smarter this week than you were last week or not?
I love that. I
Okay.
love that. I tell everyone who I mentor, whether they're internal employees on my teams or clients I'm consulting for, that success in business and in life is a commitment to ongoing education. And it sounds like from a corporate perspective, that's the same. What more have I learned about my company, my clients, and my process that I can use to get an advantage over the competition?
Yeah, absolutely right. Right. Because I think the minute you stop learning, you have fallen behind.
We have an old saying in martial arts, if you're not growing, you're dying.
100%. Right. And it's true of everything. Right. Like it's literally
Yes.
every second and every day that you are not learning. It's somebody is out learning you, somebody's out executing you, somebody is learning how to become better at X than you. I mean, this is discipline. This is very hard to do. Let's not kid ourselves about it. Right. But that's what it takes to win in any sphere of life. Right. And as I was saying earlier, and somebody much smarter than me said this, and I have internalized it, that growth, and you can apply this personally or professionally, growth is nothing but the pursuit of truth.
Yes.
Right. And whatever that form that takes, right, run with it. But that, I think, is a true North Star for any professional that claims to be a growth professional, marketing, sales professional, any sort of professional. That if this is not the thing you're looking for, then I don't think you're going to make it.